Hi there, I'm Johanna, and today I want to check out a website called Gather.town together with you, and it is a tool to collaborate online. The idea is that you walk around a map, which looks a little bit like a video game map, and the closer you get to other people, represented by tiny avatars, then it will activate your video. So it's a little bit, it allows you to have some type of rather more private conversations, also in contrast to in a Zoom meeting where if you talk to everyone, you're center stage. So I will go in there. I just checked out one of the maps earlier, but I'm going to create a new space, which I'm going to call training space 2. And I will have a password. What you do is you select a map. They have general genres of maps here: general, conference, university, office, custom, and legacy. The general ones are more like for private gatherings. You can have a party, Christmas. You have a study room where you can study or just be cozy, or a park, a beer garden even, and which I really like, the Moon Pond. I have to go there someday. And a castle, which I'll show you later on. For conference ones, you've got different larger areas. You can have a university with classrooms, labs, lecture halls, office setups, with a small office, a medium office. So you could, in theory, also do co-working with your office there. Different sizes of offices. Custom, now this is what I'm excited for, because I can actually make my whole custom map. This looks interesting. I'll try that out later. And legacy, you can even go to MIT or Carnegie Mellon. So now we're gonna go to the castle, because I checked that out earlier and I really liked it. So no, do not save my password. Okay. Submit my password. Yes, I do want you to take my webcam. Yes, it remembered my name from earlier. I probably can't use this webcam because I'm using this webcam for streaming. So yes, I will allow you to use my other webcam. Yeah, you can still see me. Yes, use the integrated webcam, blah blah blah. Join the gathering. Yes. So this is me. I just entered the map of the castle, and I can go into room number 1. Let's see. It's a cozy room. You can hang out. You can just walk and pretend to sit on the sofa. Cannot walk through the table, or you can even sit in a nice seating area. I can walk through the hedges. These rooms, I think they all, they're all pretty much the same. Over here I have some type of bridge which is locked, okay. And I have a plenary room over here, which is like an auditorium. I can just pretend to sit in a seat here. Oh, I can go on stage and talk. There is a function to screen share. I tested it earlier, but it doesn't put the screen share up here, but rather on the full screen. I will have to test that with other users to cross-check what they are seeing. And oh, there is a poster room. Okay, where people can just get a table and present their work, because this is a campus. Let's see what's up here. beach. Great. The beach. I will go back. So you can even like have a beach party at one point. Good. Now let's test out. I will just chill here. More objects. Furniture. Armchair red, get comfy. Press space to use tool. I built a comfy armchair. This is great. Now I can erase my comfy armchair. Oh yes, I can. Can I erase the window? No, I cannot. Ah, okay. So I can only erase what I built myself. And as I checked earlier, they have the option so that I can appoint anyone a builder. Decoration, balloons, banners, bowl. I can have some food. This is ridiculous, but I love it. I can have a menorah. I can have plants, plates, presents. I want the yellow present. Put it next to the press space to use tool. Computer. Yes. I cannot interact with the present, unfortunately. Lamps, okay. Productivity. Ooh, okay. This is very relevant. So I can link to a Zoom call, which was a question that I had. I was actually thinking about how to integrate something like this with a usual Zoom meeting and how to jump back and forth. So I will have to try this out with some people. More objects, productivity, note. This note, place object. So you press X to interact with objects and then it gives you the text. This is a game changer because it means that I can actually add real content, not only the environment but also content. This is exciting. More objects. Shared document. Also something that's really, really relevant. So I can have them work together on a Google Doc. Back. Okay, I could have gone back. Or something. And a shared whiteboard. I really wanted this. I will have to see it in practice with the group. How it actually, how the transitions work. For the people. Games. It also has games. Okay, I want to play a Sudoku. Place object. I will place it here. And press X to interact. Oh, okay. What do I do? Okay. Hi. This is how it works. Nein, da nicht hin. So, this is a tool. Ah, okay. This is how it works. Yeah, I can play the Sudoku with my friends. Something. In the conference settings, I have booths, podiums, poster sets. Okay, so we can actually put some posters into the poster room. And we can actually have people upload their posters. So this makes a lot more sense now to have the poster room. They can upload their posters and thereby interact with the people in a good way. Text, I can insert text. New text. Submit. Loading. Confirm object. No interaction. I can Okay, whatever I enter as text is now the image for the new thing. I'm not sure I can wrap my brain around that yet, but I can also upload a picture of an object. I'll pick one of those and customize my object. I'm just gonna, yes. Okay, now everything makes sense. Here I use a picture, and this is just a text, a picture of a text, and they click it instead of having a picture of a thing. And what it is, what it can do, will be decided by this later. This menu here, I can make it everything basically. That is really good. So this makes me excited. Okay, what can I do? I can chat to everybody nearby or to everybody on the map, which is good for moderating. And here I have ideally a list of all the people on my map, which is now just me. And search for them. What does this do? Okay, now I can invite people and everything. I will go out of the map. Yes. What's down here? More beach, okay. Well, okay. So, Gather.town. I have to say I'm excited because I thought it was great for some social interaction, but it's not only great for facilitating these social interactions where you're not at the center stage, but for example, you could be listening to a talk and be also having these conversations at the back of the room where you can like really connect with some of the other attendees. So for that, I think it's great. I will have to test it with people, but it's also way more than that. I can completely customize the maps that exist and even build my own with interactive objects. The thing that I wanted most was a way to have like a virtual whiteboard there as well, so the people can work on things together, and there seems to be that option. But overall, yeah, I have an application that I'm going to test it with. I am not 100% sure that the video game aesthetic will work for that workshop, but I will have to ask the people. If they like it and it doesn't distract them and it doesn't cause a disconnect or dissonance, then I'm very, very happy with this. Okay, maybe you were interested in trying it out as well. I will keep you updated on my explorations in Gather.town and other tools. Thank you for watching and have a great day.